Today we talk about Honor 100 Pro versus OnePlus Ace 3. The Honor 100 Pro launched on November 2023 with the price tag of $600. The OnePlus Ace 3 launched on January 2024 with a price tag of $500. The dimension is same and the weight of these devices. The Honor 100 Pro comes with 195 gram and the OnePlus Ace 3 comes with 207 gram. The build. The Honor 100 Pro and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM port. The Honor 100 Pro come with OLED 1 billion color screen type, and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type, and the screen size is same in both 6.78 inches. The resolution of these devices: the Honor 100 Pro comes with 1224 by 2700 pixels resolution, and the OnePlus Ace 3 comes with 1264 by 2780 pixels resolution. It's mean 1.5K screen resolution, and the PPI density. The Honor 100 Pro comes with 435 PPI density, and the OnePlus Ace 3 450 PPI density. The refresh rate is same 120Hz in both devices. The screen to body ratio: the Honor 100 Pro comes with 91.2% of body ratio, and the OnePlus Ace 3 comes with 90.9% of body ratio. The protection: the Honor 100 Pro comes with Gorilla Glass, and the OnePlus Ace 3 comes with Gorilla Glass with Test 2 protection. And the screen brightness: the Honor 100 Pro comes with 2800 nits peak of brightness, and the OnePlus Ace 3 comes with 4500 nits peak of brightness. Let's talk about the camera of these devices. The Honor 100 Pro comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, and 32 megapixel telephoto, and it records 4K 60 fps video. The OnePlus Ace 3 also comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 2 megapixel micro, and 8 megapixel ultra wide, and it records 4K 60 fps video. And the front camera of these devices: the Honor X100 Pro comes with dual selfie camera 15 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and it records 4K 30 fps video with front camera. And the OnePlus Ace 3 comes with 16 megapixel of selfie camera, and it records 1080p screen recording. Let's talk about the platform of these devices. The Honor X100 Pro and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with Oppo Tecno 3 CPU and the chipset of these devices. The both devices come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm chipset, and the GPU. The Honor X100 Pro and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with Android and Reno 740 GPU, and the both devices come with Android 14 operating system. Let's talk about the memory of these devices. The Honor X100 Pro and the OnePlus Ace 3 come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM, and the internal storage. The both devices come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobiles. Let's go to the battery setup. The Honor X100 Pro comes with 5000 mAh battery, and the OnePlus Ace 3 comes with 5500 mAh battery, and the both devices come with 100 watt fast charging. The Honor X100 Pro supported 66 watt wireless charging, and the both devices come with 5G network support. The common LAN feature is same, and the result of these devices: the Honor 100 Pro got 23 points, and the OnePlus Ace 3 got 23 points.